In this video, I did an experiment using ChatGPT to create a cold email marketing strategy, and I wanted to see how it would pan out. But first, before I jump into it, if you like this channel or if you know anybody that can benefit from this channel, please hit the like and subscribe button and share it with them. And if you're struggling with email marketing, I have a link below that allows you to take a quiz so you can discover and see how your email marketing campaign or your strategy stacks up in terms of performance. So let's jump into it. So today I'm going to be asking ChatGPT to create a cold email marketing strategy for me. Now the goal of this experiment, I want to see how fleshed out the thoughts ChatGPT can generate, what's the framework, and how it conveys its strategy when it comes to creating cold email. So I asked ChatGPT to write a cold email campaign strategy to get e-commerce clients. I wanted to see what they came up with, and I already put the prompts in so we can see what they were able to produce. And basically, it gives you a brief high level of cold email strategy and a summary of what they're going to do. And they break it down to 3 emails. So these 3 emails ChatGPT told me to use in my cold email marketing strategy to reach out to e-commerce businesses. So here we have it. Let's briefly go through these emails and see what's happening here. So the first one is, in their summary, it says 3 emails, establish a connection, demonstrate our value, and ultimately convert the lead. So let's look at what we have. The first one is, the subject line is boost your e-commerce sales with X company, which would be us. And they start with the general opening, introducing themselves, and then sharing, how we ran across this client, how did we not ran across the client, but how did we run across this potential client's contact information. And then they share a little bit about the background of what we do. And then from that point, they offer, they offer the services. So it's a decent start. So that's email number 1. Email number 2 is they focus on sharing success stories. So here they have it outlined where you can share 3 different, case studies or success stories that you have, and they break down, the value and the results that they were able to achieve with that particular client or a series of clients. And they have places where you can put your information in and replace it with, which is good. And then 3, offer a personalized assessment. So what they're doing here, email 3, is offering to do an assessment, a personalized assessment for the client at no cost. And this is the 3 email series that they put together in terms of a strategy. So that's what we have. I think they did a really good job just putting some basic outlines together. So ChatGPT can put together some basic emails for a cold email strategy. I wouldn't necessarily say that is a strategy itself in the example I show, but I think it's a great start. It'll help you come up with new ideas that will help you be able to engage with your prospects and build those relationships. So that's the video that I have for today. I'm actually going to spend time experimenting with a lot of different AI tools over the next couple weeks. So stay tuned to that. But before I wrap this video up, if you like this video, if you feel like this video brought you value, please hit the like and subscribe button. Right now, we're trying to get our subscriber levels up. So if you like this channel, do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. And before you go, if you're struggling with email marketing, go down. There is a link where you can take a quiz. It's going to ask you a few questions, and once you answer those questions, it will give you some recommendations on how to improve your email marketing efforts. So I'll see you guys on the next video.